Today I'm going to show you what is in the Makedo kit for intermediate grade levels. With Makedo, students can use simple tools to create design projects by upcycling cardboard. This kit is designed for 2 to 3 students working on one challenge card at a time. The Makedo kit contains 4 separate bags of tools and parts, so up to 4 small groups can share this same kit at the same time, especially for simpler challenges with fewer parts. Pay attention to the sequence of the challenge cards at the bottom left-hand corner. The challenges build upon one another. Each bag includes 1 child-safe saw, 1 screwdriver, 36 small screws, and 12 larger screws. There is also a mini tool that can be used in tight spaces or to give 2 partners the ability to assemble parts at the same time. The kit also includes a single child-safe box cutter, which can be used to cut up larger boxes into smaller sheets of cardboard to give to your students. If you decide as a teacher to use any cutting tools designed for adults, please be careful and keep them out of the reach of children. The challenge cards have simple design challenges that will engage the students' creativity and problem-solving skills. Once they've designed a structure, students can then cut the needed pieces using the saw. Parts can be folded and connected using either the small or large screws. The parts are easy to take apart, so if students make a mistake or they change their mind about a design, it's easy for them to undo a step or start over. Please note that the kit only contains tools and connectors. You will need to provide the cardboard for students to build their designs. Your school library or office may be good sources of clean extra delivery boxes. Take some time to ensure that students have carefully replaced all of the tools and connector screws into each parts bag. There will probably be lots of little pieces of waste cardboard to recycle or throw away, so allow a little extra time for cleanup. Reach out to your EdTech with any questions, and don't forget to check out the Maker Kit website for more information and ideas. Thanks a lot.